About a year and a half ago, there was something that the provincial government was thinking of bringing down the pipeline in terms of sort of changing the way healthcare is delivered. Something called the third way, where there would be the introduction of some private services. And this concerned a lot of people because there's a threat that if some things start to become privatized, how long is it going to be before the entire system becomes privatized and turns into, you know, like what is in the States, where people who can pay get health care and people who don't kind of fall through the cracks. So I wrote a song, big surprise, on that topic. It's slightly dated because we now have a different premier than we did at that time. But being as an election is going to be coming up very soon, healthcare definitely is an issue that should be on everyone's minds. And the song is called We Want Public Healthcare. The chorus is incredibly easy, so if you want to sort of join in, feel free. Supposed to be the land of opportunity, at least that's what was told to me. Universal health care is alright, but on our hands we have a fight, because hospital beds are being erased. Nurses have to leave this place, senior citizens get less care. Something doesn't seem quite fair. Taking away rooms from the mentally ill, every day we're hearing worse still. This is getting all quite out of hand, so we're gathering together and making a stand, asking the premier and the cabinet, aren't you done screwing things up yet? We don't want to hear any more of your lies. We don't want our healthcare privatized. We want public healthcare. We want public healthcare. We want public healthcare. We want public healthcare. The elderly patient without a bed, sent to a private nursing home instead. Bills piling up, someone has to pay. We're going to hear stories like this every day. For surgeries and tests we must wait, until for some of us it is too late. There's a risk of becoming a casualty, unless you can pay the clinic's fee. Here it comes again. We want public health care. 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 One more time. We want public health care. 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 Oh, we should never ever hear the word privatization when it comes to health care in our nation and in our province. No ifs, ands, or buts. Gotta put an end to all these budget cuts. But one day victims will all be a two-tiered system lunacy before our